Welcome to Alannah Channel. So today I am going to teach you how to make an ice cream at home. So these are the ingredients we need. We need heavy cream, condensed, vanilla syrup, and cookies or whatever ingredient you want to use. So guys, before we start, we need to put the bowl and the beaters into the freezer for about 5 minutes. So guys, after we put the bowl and the beaters into the refrigerator, we are now going to put the beaters into the mixer. After we put the beaters into the mixer, we are now going to put the 2 creams into the bowl. So now that we are done putting the cream into the bowl, we are now going to the mixer and then mix it. To mix it for about 10 minutes. So while we are mixing, we are going to put a half of a teaspoon of vanilla into the bowl. So now that we are done putting half of a teaspoon of vanilla, we are now going to put half of a cup of condensed. So while the condensed and the cream are still mixing, we are going to crush the cookies or whatever you're going to use for the ingredients so that we won't be crushing it after the cream and the condensed are still mixing. As you can see, we are almost done. So now that we are almost done, we are going to prepare the cookies that we smashed earlier. Now that the cream is thickened, we are about to put the cookies. So now that the cream is thickened, we are now going to put the cookies in. Now we are going to mix it for a little bit so it will combine. So now that we are done mixing the ice cream mix, we are now going to pour it into the containers. So now we are going to cover it and put it in the freezer. So now that we are all done, we are now going to put it in the freezer. So now we are going to wait for 2 to 3 hours for it to freeze.